Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, bbmirasworld. Here again. If you are stopping by for the first time, please kindly endeavor hitting the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. But if you're not, thank you so much for always sticking around. I really appreciate it. So today I'm gonna be doing something different. I've thought about making this video for the longest time, so today I decided to hit the road and actually make this video. I'm going to the market with my friends. We're going to be shopping just for food stuff. So I want to show you guys a raw footage of a typical Nigerian market here in Lagos, Nigeria. So without further ado, let us hit the road. Let's get going. First off, I took a public transport with my friend, and there is this new minibus in Lagos. I don't know if you guys know about it. It is very cheap and it is very conducive. I don't know if it's from Lagos government or something, but this is really dope. From Chisco to Aja is about 200 naira with this bus. Why normal buses charge like 300? I mean, from even Lekki phase 1 to Aja, this bus charges 200. So I'm thinking it's one kind of a mini BRT thingy, and I think it's dope. So fortunately for us, the road is free. Seeing like express road free is such a miracle, like especially now that they are doing some constructions and all those stuff. So guys, we've just gotten to Jubilee Bridge. This is Aja bus stop and I am proceeding to the market. I came with my friend who is going to be buying some things while I just observe what a typical Nigerian market looks like and what goes on here. So guys, basically they sell a whole bunch of stuff here. We came here to buy foodstuffs. As you can see, there are a whole bunch of stuff going on there. We are going to be entering to the foodstuff session right now. So let's go. So these are the sections where these people sell fruits and all that. We are still approaching the main market. So guys, we've entered the market now, but we have to withdraw money first. So first thing first, let's get to the bank ATM and withdraw money. So I'm seeing first bank here. Let's see if we can withdraw money. Okay, so I guess the queue is too much. Like seriously, do I have to like queue up here? And I don't even know what's happening. Why are they queued this way? So we need to get money first. There are some people at the queue too inside. So because we are going to run out of time if we are going to stand at that queue, and I heard that the ATM is taking their cards. I'm now about going to bank and solving bank issues now. So we came to this POS thing. There is something they do in Nigeria here. There are POS guys everywhere, so you can easily withdraw money from each card center. So my friend is doing that right now, so we can start shopping. So all these people sell what we call okrika, like bendan salads. Here they sell used clothes from US and all that stuff, and UK, blah blah blah, and they sell it so cheap. So they call them okrika. So mostly bendan salads. Pressure say can no ni can no ni.
If you don't like me, what do you want to say? Let me show you this.
So we finally approached the food section that we came for. As you can see, there are a lot of activities going on here. First of all, we need to buy meat first. So let's go to the meat section. So here is the meat section. A lot of people sell meat in this place. And then if you want to get it for a more cheaper price, you can just go in. I'm not human. So we want to get goat meat, so we are here.
So this guy is trying to remove the hair of the cow, or I think this is cow, yeah. So they finished like slaughtering, roasting the back. Now he's trying to peel it off, peel the hair off rather.
Big one. You want to buy vegetable? Cocoyam. Okay, I'm never never cocoyam. Can I see what you are doing? Thank you. Precious, are you not buying this? Are you not buying this? Anyway, let's buy the necessary things first.
Oh, no, but I don't know. 300. You get draw. I don't go. Madam, oh, you want to say please give me a king 1,100. The money is checking. Too plenty. You can't get $15 the same thing. quiet. You know, but still come out.
I beg, how much coconut?
400, 300.
Maybe 200.
Bye-bye. You tell me that, you tell me that. Go away. I don't leave you at one bite. She carry me, they drag me from. Yeah, make her 500, I beg. Do and wear, I don't want to.
Well, I want to come to Jubilee.
So basically, this is what shopping in a typical Nigerian market looks like. Mind you, today is Monday. It's Monday afternoon, and this place is like this. Just imagine how it will be on a Saturday when everyone is actually coming to buy stuff and all that. I've been thinking of doing this video, and I'm glad I did it today. Basically, I guess markets in different African countries are the same, because when I went to Ghana, it was basically like this. But then I went to the busiest one, but this is just one market in Lagos called Aja. It's less busy and not too crowded like the other one I showed you guys. Anyways, I think we are done buying stuff that we came here to buy, and I want to know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want more market vlogs. Tell me the kind of things you want me to go and look for you in the market. Tell me the kind of market you want me to vlog about, and I will do just that. I would have to leave you guys now, but so do let me know if you want to see more of this video, and I will sure do that. I guess you brings us to the end of this video. If you love this amazing video, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys in my next one, and until then, bye.